Okay guys, so I've been thinking about doing this for a long time. I have something here. I vlogged it. I don't know if I'm gonna post a vlog of me running the errands and me picking up what I have in this room. So I have this, and I bet you're wondering, like, Juanita, what are you doing with that? Like, what are you doing with that? And clearly my hair is in braids. So are you dyeing your hair? Like, what are you doing? I have bleach, developer, and a bowl ready to go because I'm gonna be dyeing my eyebrows purple. I don't know what to tell you. Like, yep, I'm doing it. And I'm just thinking, like, okay, like, if things don't go how I want it to go, I could always dye it black, right? And if they burn off, I'll just fill them in. Doubt that they're gonna burn off though. Like, this is gonna be so cute. This is the color that I have. This Kiss Colors Temptation. It's like the same color that I used when I dyed my hair green. When I dyed my hair green. If you didn't see that video, I'll put it in the description box because you should watch it. Watch all my hair dyeing videos. Watch all my videos. Subscribe while you're already here. Why not? So we're just gonna get into this. We're just gonna do this. Say a prayer for my eyebrows. I really don't have much. I'm kind of putting a lot on the line here, so like this video. I'm actually hella nervous because, like, who knows what's gonna happen, but like, this is a fun part. I have a plastic spoon. You don't want to mix bleach with metal. Big tip. I think this is bleach. Why does it look all thin and fine? Is it old? That's definitely bleach. So I'm taking some bleach, just very little because it's just my eyebrows. Putting in this bowl. You don't want a lot. You don't need a lot, actually. So, and I'm using 40 volume. We're just gonna get this done. We're gonna put the same amount on the spoon. My rug. My rug is black, but it won't lift. I hope. I'm gonna use my edge brush. This is so ghetto. Guys, I'm nervous as hell because, like, I don't even have black dye to, like, undo this. So I'm gonna have to be like this until tomorrow. Wait, braid aid's open all night, and it's only 4. It's only 5, and it's so dark outside. I'm mixing it. I don't need to mix it anymore. I think I'm just procrastinating. Now we're gonna put it on. Wow, there's no going back. I feel cute already. Oh shit, I'm a badass. Cute. I want to get them, but I want them to be pretty pale. It's tingling. It's really tingling, actually. Like, it's actually tingling. Like, it's actually tingling. I look like a Oompa Loompa. This is tingling. How long am I supposed to leave this? I didn't watch much videos, or any videos actually. I couldn't find any videos. I don't think people really do this. I'm gonna turn up my ring light so that we can see it process better. Okay. Put my ring light up. Wow. I think it's already changing color. It's actually not at all. It's just burning and not changing color. So, should I take this off if it's burning and not changing color? What if it's burning and burning my eyebrows off? I guess I just put it on, right? Okay, let's like this out. This emergency. We're just gonna use a sleeve. Okay, eyebrows, are you on? My skin, are we here? Okay, how are we doing? They're still there. Give me a second. Let's wipe off, make sure there's no bleach. There's no bleach. Okay, piece of my eyebrow. All right. I should just focus it more on the hair. They do look lighter, so maybe I should just focus it more on the hair and not on my skin. I need like a mascara brush so I could just comb it on the hair. Okay, we're gonna try the edge brush again because I can't find anything else. How do I know this is working? Should I Google this? Hey Siri. Bleaching my eyebrows.
Okay, I found this on the web.
I should have bended this. This is my Aries moon, like. While this is burning and tingling. How to light your eyebrows? Well, there's already bleach on your eyebrows. Let me wipe this off, just in case I'm doing it wrong. The fact that I could be doing it wrong is like the funny part. Are we making any progress besides burning my eyebrow skin? Are my eyebrows undyeable? WikiHow is the best. Oh, it's warning me. Let me screen record this so we could do this together. So pull out your hair away from your face. Check. Pull hair away from my face. Even if you have very short hair, blah blah blah, you're just dragging it. Remove makeup from your brows. There's no makeup. Mix bleaching powder and silver. I did. Okay. Apply the mixture. Usually commercial bleach cream smells of black applicator. Don't rub the cream into your skin. You might want to only leave it for a minute or two. It didn't even budge. That didn't help. I'm looking for some. Okay, so now that we have this, the game is changed. The game is changed. The game is changed. Put it in there. I'm gonna be very cautious. Like WikiHow said. Apply bleach to the hair that you want bleached, she said. I don't know like when I should stop. No eyebrows could be a look. I would look like a real alien. There's really like no difference happening. I don't think my eyebrows are dyeable. Let me look it up. My eyebrows won't lighten with bleach. There's no answer to my question. I'm a special case. Some of it's blonde. I look crazy. I'm gonna look like Whoopi. Whoopi's cute though. Definitely been a little, I feel like we're reaching 10 minutes. Progress! We made, oops, spilled my water. We made freaking progress. They're getting lighter. Okay. So we're gonna wipe this one off. I just have to keep checking the tissue to make sure like I don't see eyebrow hairs on the napkin because that'll be tragic. Oh, I lost another one. Come on guys, do better. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're definitely changing color. Focus. Yeah, we're doing something. Now this goal, my main focus is like, we can keep doing this, just stay attached as long as you're attached. I'm not keeping track of time. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this one off. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, like you know how much lighter I have to get these? Like this is the scary part, like how light I have to get them, and I didn't counter that in. Lip gloss touch up because like if I have no eyebrows, guys, don't unsubscribe, please. I'll fix it. Okay, 70 millionth application on my eyelashes. Oh no, oh no, we don't want my eyelashes bleached. My best friend is FaceTiming. Perfect timing.
Yay! Like, that shit looks cute.
I'm so nervous because I lost like 3 eyebrow hairs so far. And this is like my 7th time putting it on. I thought
How light are you trying to get it?
I have to put this color to light enough for this.
Okay.
But like, if they turn orange and they don't get lighter, like, it's okay. Now I'm gonna wipe this off because it's burned.
Yeah. Let me see. Go away from it. Back up. So cute though. Like, yo. This is so cute.
I have to go lighter because like you have to see. Like you can't look like my skin color. I have like 7 eyebrow hairs that I'm risking for a look.
Putting it all on the lip line.
So this is what we got so far. Bleach on my skin everywhere. Really orange. Oh my god.
Like real thick.
So I should just throw the purple on now?
Maybe try one. I mean, I was gonna say one more application, but I really don't know if it's gonna look anymore.
Okay, we'll try one more application. Okay, so They need to be. Alright, let's do them again. That's not what I had pictured in my head.
Exactly.
Okay, we're just gonna pile this on, carry it away, guys. See if we could just get any good result from this. I think it's because I don't have eyebrows in the first place. And I should have just accepted it from jump. At least I got content. Here's a video.
21 minutes.
So this is not taking.
That wasn't bad.
Like, I'm really lost here. I can't do the math because I don't get it. Do I have to like scrub this in? I'm confused. I quit. Okay, I don't know why on camera they actually look purple. Because I did not use a purple pencil to fill them in just now. Yeah, I just filled them in with the brown pencil because I couldn't stand to see myself looking like Whoopi. No offense, Whoopi, because Whoopi's cute, but you know, I can't do that no eyebrow look. So I nicely packed it in and it's a wrap. That's it. Brittany's gonna bring me some black hair dye. Everything should be back to normal. Maybe I'll get a piercing or something. I don't know.